Good, what's good, people? What's good, what's good? Welcome to the live, welcome to the live. Today we're going to get in the market. I'm going to teach y'all how to live trade with me today. Excuse me, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I had a close death in the family, so been dealing with that. But we back to hustling and we back to getting it. So I'm easing my way back into my day trades. So today I'm gonna show you how we set our charts up, and we're gonna see can we find some potential money today. Let me make sure all my screen working. So give me a second. I'm gonna go to the heat map. See if our heat map pull up. Make this look bigger. All right. Got the heat mount right here. You know, NVIDIA going crazy today. NVIDIA been going crazy. It's up 2% on the day, up 10% last week. I got me some NVIDIA. I hope you got you some NVIDIA. You feel me? So let me see my screaming working on my other end. Saying I'm live, but I can't see it. Boom, there we go. All right, got the chat up. We live on Instagram too. So boom, I can go share that real quick before I pull the charts up. Share that. If you're watching this, go share this to your close friend, family. Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And I will drop the link to the university in the bio. Live stream. Open to the public today too. So this is not a private stream. This is a public stream. You can go back to the YouTube channel. You can rewatch everything you're gonna learn today. You can rewatch everything you're gonna learn today. Live stream. Open to public. On YouTube and Instagram. Tap in. Man, I'm just gonna tell everybody, like, a lot of people been asking me, like, man, bro, I really can make some money in this shit, bro. Like, can you really make some money in the market, bro? And I'm like, yeah, I wouldn't be doing it if I could. So, like, I wouldn't be doing this if I couldn't make no money in the market. I would not be doing this if I could not make no money in the market, bro. This would be a waste of my time if I wasn't making no money. Let's see. Get to the chart. All right, let's get to the chart. I gotta exit out of this. Get to the chart for y'all. Check on my Instagram, people. Get to the chart for y'all. So we on the 5 minute time frame. If you on, I'm on Webull. I trade on Webull. So we on a 5 minute time frame, and we're gonna set up our gamma zone. We're gonna use these blue lines. We're gonna go to the high today since it's already at a high. Nah. We're gonna go from. We're gonna do it right. I could go from the high today, but it ain't even broke out. So I'm gonna go from the high from yesterday. That'll be in the pre-market. That will be this right here. I'm gonna go to the high of that. When I see that, I'm gonna go to excuse me, I'm on a new laptop. My bad if I feel like I'm looking close. And we're gonna go to the last low. We're gonna move this blue line up right here to the last low. So we're gonna do We'll play it a little close. We'll do 55. Now we'll do it right. We're gonna do it right there. That's our gamble zone. That last low right there. That long wick. But she look like she about to break out, y'all. Might not even get a proper setup, but it could fake out. See how she faked out? So what we was initially looking for, let me get my drawings. We was initially looking for, we need the green counter to close out above our blue line, above this resistance line. This is called a resistance line. Whatever your whatever the counter pushes down at, that's your resistance line. Where it bounces at, that's your support. So this is our gamma zone. We know not to buy anything in this zone, but if we catch the breakout, we can buy above. And this is not telling nobody to buy, hold, or sell. This is how I trade. This is how I learned. I learned this method from the GOAT, Kenan Grace. You know, if you need to know more and you want to get real in depth, go holler at Kenan Grace, bro. Took his university for 2 years. Now I got my own university. So this is what we're initially looking for. Let me zoom that in a little bit more. This is what we're initially looking for. Make sure y'all can see that. Okay. We need a counter, green counter to close above here. Completely closed to look just like that in order for us to get in for a call option. If you don't know call options or put options, go to the university, take the courses, and you will be equipped with the tool. But if you know what I'm talking about, then let's get in how we fit in. If you know what I'm talking about, let's get in how we fit in. So she looked like she want to break out. She looked like she want to break out. So what else we would do for another visual? We're gonna go get another rectangle. This one we're gonna make it like this. Boom. So at this point right here, we see we're gonna leave it red because we're gonna see, hey, it's a lot of sellers right here. They're trying to keep it from going over 556 right now. So that's where I would visually see my sellers at. When I look at my buyers, give me another rectangle. We're on a 5-minute time frame. You don't know what time frame we on. Boom. I don't even think I alerted the Instagram folk. I mean the Facebook folk. Cause I thought we had a trade. You know? But we not FOMOing though. FOMO is fear of missing out. We're not gonna FOMO in a play. Alright. So now we know where our buyers and our sellers are. And inside of our gamma zone. And we know, hey, if we get a counter breakout close above our resistance, we need to be looking for calls. Get the counter breakout below our support, we need to be looking for puts. So this is how we don't get married to one direction and be trying to make the charts do what we want the chart to do. You feel me? That's how we do that. That's how we do that. And you would want to, how the market was just going so quick, you would want to go ahead and get into a put. I mean, into a call. Just thought it was going to go up real quick. I know if I didn't know no better, I would have thought it was going to break out. But the market pushed it right back down. You want to get 3 confirmations. So you want to get the confirmation of your MACD. That's this. That's an indicator you would put on your chart. confirmation of your MACD need to confirm going up for a call. You need to be confirming going up green. And your RSI need to be breaking out. If your RSI not breaking out, then you might not have a full trade. But if you got a confirmation, green candles on the MACD crossing to the upside, you got the RSI going up, pointing your direction, and you got your breakout counter. Those are three A plus confirmation that will get you an A plus trade. Like that'll get you an A plus trade. So you see how the market's pushing down. The chart win again. The chart win again. Like 2 Chainz say, respect it. You feel me? They respected that. They definitely respected that level. So we just sit right here and we wait. We just sit right here and we wait. And let's see. We gotta see what they're gonna do. I don't know why my Instagram. Oh, there we go. It's behind. It's lagging behind. If y'all watching on Instagram lagging behind. We ain't tripping. I'll post the YouTube link on the Insta. So the market pushing down. So she pushing down. Oh, because Jay Powell speaking. Jay Powell speaking. He was speaking on the independence. He's having the Jay Powell's testimony today on the labor market. So that could be a mean sell off. That could let's see, can we get some puts on this news? The market is gonna be highly volatile because of this. Like highly volatile because of Jay Powell speaking today. He's talking about the labor market conditions have cooled while remaining strong. It's crazy in this economic environment that we live in. They want people to not have jobs. If you're not working and you're not spending a whole lot of money, then it seems to like, hey, you can't buy nothing. So inflation has to cool down. So if you can't buy nothing, you ain't got no job, you ain't spending a whole lot of money, and the prices were sky high, they gotta drop the prices enough for you to buy. That's basically what is going on right now in the economy, bro. And we feel the pressure right now because the dollar ain't buying what it used to buy for us anymore. That's the only pressure that we feel. We thinking that, hey, we ain't getting that for nothing. We getting nothing for nothing, but as soon as these rate cuts happen, as soon as inflation cool down, the labor market, unemployment skyrockets, then we will be back into a comfortable environment. I feel like, you know, to run that bag back up, but you can run the bag up right now. You can run the bag up right now. We train ticket symbol SPY to SPY. It's ticket symbol SPY, SPY, SPY. And I'm not gonna get into no high risk trade today because I'm teaching. I'm easing my way back in, so we're gonna just play it how we play it. We're gonna play it with the chart, not with our heart. Play it with the chart, and not with our heart. Said Fed power elevated inflation is not the only risk we face. See, we got other risks, bro. He may not give a rate cut in September. He may not give a rate cut in September. He may not give a rate cut in September, man. But yeah, she easing. She want to creep back up. Try to make it a little bigger. Yeah, I want to creep back up. You see how it pulled down? Boom, it bounced off of that. Let me get my EMAs. If you don't know about EMAs, this is another indicator you're going to use when the market is trading kind of sideways. So I knew I was missing some on my chart. This is how I set my EMAs up. You don't have to set your EMAs up in this particular form or particular day format, but this is how I set my EMAs up. I do, so this is like the daily moving average. I do, let me see, the 20-day I do the 50-day. I do the 200 and the 600. Oh, they only gonna let me go to 5 on the desktop, but I usually do the 600 on the app. But they're gonna let me go to 5 on the desktop, so we'll do the 5. Uh, Boom, add them to the chart. Make them where I can see them. 20 be white. My red be, I mean my 50, and my 50 red. Let me know if it's touching the 50. Hey, watch yourself, my boy. Watch yourself, my boy. Made my 200 yellow. Look like a golden, my golden line. If it breaking the 200, boy, we might be on to something. And I made my 6 blue, because I mean, we deep somewhere. She touching the 6 or the 500. So if you don't know MMAs, like I say, go to the university and we have the course to let you know how to learn about EMAs. How to learn about EMAs. You can learn that in the course. In the university, Stock Hustler University. The link will be in the description. The link will be in the description. We live on YouTube. We live on Instagram. Please like, share, and follow. Share this to a good friend. We learn how to trade in the market today. We learn how to trade in the market today. She pushing back up, so she respected it. She respected that buyer zone. It respected that buyer zone. So the buyers are down here. The buyers are down here. And we just trying to get in, get up, and get out. We not holding none, no day trade. So she's pushing, when she's pushing back up to our territory to break out for a call, we're gonna go ahead and load that thing up. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and load that thing up. You're gonna look at that, you're gonna go ahead and I trade on my phone, I chart on my laptop. But we're gonna load that thing up, right? And I always go $2 out of the money. So stock is cost 556 right now. I want to look at the 558 call. If it's a put, the stock costs 556. I want to look at the 554 put. You get what I'm saying? I always want to try to go $2 out of the money or $2 under the money. And if you don't know stock options, please go take the course in the university. The link is in the description. Link is in the description. So I'm looking at the 558 call when she get ready to break out in our territory. I'm gonna be looking at the 558 call. I'm gonna look at the 558 call. And if you want to, you want to jump in it, but you don't want to do that because the chart's not telling you. This is how you trade with the chart or not the chart. That's how you really trade with the chart, not with the chart. Oh, what's up, man? I got my folks over here. No, this ain't no AI generated stock market, man. This ain't no AI generated stock market, twin. What's up, Pressure? What's up, Pressure? Nah, man, this is Webull. This is Webull. I'm trading. I'm day trading. You need to go and tap in. Go. We day trading. We on Webull. I think you got the link to the university too. We on YouTube too. We on YouTube too, bro. YouTube too, brother. Pull it up on my end. I can see y'all on this side. Pull it up on my Insta. Over here, I can see the chat. See the chat a little better. Here we go. All right, now we might be beginning to break out. Brother said it's AI generated. No, man. We might begin to break out right here. So we're gonna go eye that thing up because it moves quickly. It moves very, very quickly. All right, J Powell said committee see greater confidence, and if we get more good data, he feel like the Fed can cut. You know what I'm saying? The Fed can cut. If we get more good data, he feel like the Fed can cut, and that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. In the market, bro, it take patience. We could be saying I don't stay on the charts all day though. If I don't catch a trade within an hour to 2 hours, I'm out. I ain't finna sit right here and tire myself out. But if I'm in here, I'm looking for patience pays. Patience pays. There's people who do be on the charts all day. I ain't gonna be on the charts all day. But patience do pays, bro. Patience do pay. Patience do pay. Patience do pay in the market, man. And I'll highly advise everybody, like, if you don't, if you don't, if you just don't know and you really ready to get in the market, like, I really highly advise you to learn how to create generational wealth by passively investing before you get into day trading. You feel me? Because you'll lose a lot of money if you're not learning how the money works when you ain't really trying to operate it. The money can operate and work by itself if you put it in the right places. But if you don't put it in the right places, then yeah, you're gonna be taking losses. You're gonna be taking L's, you know. And you gotta learn. You have to be dedicated to learning. You have to be dedicated. I'm always a student in this game because this game is forever changing. Shit like the streets, bro. That's why they call it Wall Street. You feel me? So we really have to be just so in tune with the money. That's what got me into it because I like the money. You feel me? I like money. I want to know how money operates. I like money. I want to know how money operates. I love money, man. Hope you do too. I get in here. I make $20 on a trade. I make $100 on a trade. I make 1,000 on a trade. I'm okay with whatever I make because I ain't have to work and break my back for it. I just went and learned. I just went and learned some. Learn how to operate the tool. The tool when it printed for me. Learn how to operate the tool. The tool when it printed for me, man. Learn how to operate the tool when it printed for me. And I do these live streams privately. So if you on here and you got this public live stream, I'm doing this for the people right now. And if you on here and you got this public live stream, you need to be taking notes. You need to be taking notes. You need to be taking notes. So it's playing it's playing on that EMA. So like I was telling y'all about the EMAs, the 50, this red line. Let me make that a little thicker, man. Y'all know I can't see. Y'all know I can't see like that. Let me see, make that a little thicker. Excuse me, man. My allergies killing me. I went to Georgia this weekend. Allergies been tearing me up, bro. Alright, so you see this white line, that's the 20 EMA, this red line, that's the 50. You see how it's playing on that? I don't even want to break below that. And they've been doing that since the market opened. So, and the way we can use that EMA We use those two as a reference to, hey, this is kind of a support until it breaks below. This is kind of support, so it playing it tight, still in call territory. But the market can do anything. Anything. Market can do anything. If anybody tell you something guaranteed in the market, bruh, really in life, bruh, anybody tell you something guaranteed, don't really believe it. Ain't nothing guaranteed. But it can be worth your while if you learn how to operate the tool. So when I get on here and say you guaranteed to make a whole lot of money in this shit, no. But I will tell you, if you learn how to operate the tool correctly, if you learn how to, invest wisely, you will make some money. You will. And this shit, they gotta be like how you feed your savings account, bro. It's 10 times better than having a savings account. 10 times better than having a savings account. You feel me? Trying to get my money out of the bank. So we looking at calls, man. We looking at calls, man. We looking at calls. We looking at calls. I got my other laptop pulled up. Looking at 558 call while she playing in the air. It's currently $23 a contract. $23 per contract. So that's also how you got to learn how to make your money, bro. We can't be looking at the dollar amount in the market. You have to look at the percentage amount. What's the percentage amount? What's the percentage amount? So if I'm up 30%, no matter what's the dollar amount I put in, shit, I'm up. If I'm up 25, 50%, I'm up. I think over the weekend I got the question, somebody dropped the question. I got the question, when do you know how to sell, or when do you know when to sell? That's something you have to, a plan you have to really come up. That's why I say you have to get your pen and your pad, man. You got to plan your trades. You have to plan what you want to do with your money. You got to plan, say, shit, if I'm up 30% in the play, and this is a hot play, I don't know what it could do. I'm in and I'm out. I take my 30%, no matter the dollar amount. Cause I don't know how much are you playing with. You don't know how much I'm playing with. Everybody got their own level of how they can enter the market. That's why I say your percentage counts. So if I'm up 30%, I'm winning. I need to be trying to move my stop loss up to 25%. If I'm up 50%, I need to be trying to move my stop loss up 40%, 45%. That's just so I don't give all that profit back to the market. That's how a lot of people lose. That's how a lot of people lose. That's how a lot of people lose. I'm gonna show you guys this by the market cooling. I'm gonna show you my law real quick. By the market cooling. Let me go to the law. Go to the law. Save this. Save it. Yeah, I'm gonna say image. I gotta show you guys this law. Law, we're gonna say that in pictures. They gonna say it. Now these two pictures I'm finna show you. This need to be law. You need to like write this down. Like you shouldn't even play with yourself. You shouldn't even play with yourself. Right. I want you to write this down. I'm finna pull it up for you in just a second. Just a second. I'm gonna pull it up. Let me get to my other screen. Pull it up right here on the screen. While we trading still. Should be able to pop up. Let's see if y'all can see it. Oh no, I can do it like this. I can do it like this. It is law, bro. Market pulling down. She pulling down. She back. She ain't put territory. She ain't put territory. She ain't put territory. God damn. Damn, it didn't save it. It's a picture. I gotta do all that. I just want to see the picture. Hold on, y'all. Still cool off. We ain't missed the trade. We ain't missed the trade. I gotta show you guys this though, but if it trips out, man, it's gonna trip out. Gotta show you this. This is law. This is law. This is law. I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this, like this. Take a screenshot real quick. She pulling back up, man. You would have thought she would have went for puts, and you would have got smoked. You would have thought it would have went for puts, and you would have got smoked. Save image. Come on, bro. This is tripping. This is tripping. Downloads. Save. Gotta get my charger, y'all. Hold on. Yo, we back. We back. We back. We back. Save image. Boom. Alright. Opening photos. All right, boom. Got it. You know, I'm telling you, a little patience. Told y'all I'm working with a new laptop. Take nothing but a little patience. Little patience. All right. Take nothing but a little patience. Take nothing but a little patience. She ain't doing nothing. I didn't do it. I'm just gonna show y'all like this. Boom. Yeah, let y'all in the Discord. Give you a little preview of the Discord. Wait for it to pop up. We gonna open in browser. There we go. Let me see. There we go, y'all. Open in browser. I got it. Alright, this the first one. This is law, bro. Let me double check. We ain't gonna miss it. We ain't missed the trade. We ain't missed the trade. We ain't missed the trade. But this is law, people. This is law. Steps to make real trading. All right, one, learn the basics. That's the charts. That's the levels. You have to learn the charts. You have to learn the levels. If you want to trade, all right, two, no risk practice. You must know your risk practice. You feel me? So that's paper trade, or you just use your watch list until you get a feel of trading. Until you get a feel of trading. Three, low risk trades, small trades. So take very, very small trades when you get in the market. When you first learn it, don't be trying to put 500 in your investment account. You trade the whole 500, on one play or in the first week. You don't do that. You're going to lose. You're going to blow your whole account. Low risk trading. You want to just test and you want to see, hey, can I win more than can I lose? So I want to put, if I got 500 in my account, I want to start trading with $50. If I got $100 in my account, I want to start trading with $20, $15. I'm trying to just build that up. And then you'll scale into big trades as you start winning more. The more you win, the more trades you're gonna be trying to get. So new traders, most of these new traders start at 4, bro, and they get their head cut off. You gotta take the L off of the earn, and we gotta earn. We gotta earn, people. We gotta earn. All right, let me show you the other one. If you're gonna get right back to the charts. Let me show you this other one. Boom. This is the one. This is the one. 98. This is law, bro. Write this down, screenshot this, whatever you do. This is law. 98% of traders do not profit. You will lose sometimes. So 98% of traders do not profit. That's why they say you got to be amongst the 1% to profit to be a good trader. You got to be amongst the 1%. 98% of traders do not profit. You will lose sometimes. So always keep that in your mind that, hey, I need to put in the market whatever I can afford to lose, not what I can afford looking to win. You don't trade like that. Always make your losses small. Must use a stop loss. If you don't know how to use a stop loss, I have it in the university and I have it on YouTube. Also, I taught you how to use stop loss on Robinhood. The same you using Webull and Moomoo, it's the same concept. Only trade with 5%. So if I got 5% to trade, if I got $100, I need to be trading 5% of $100. If I got $500, I need to be trading 5% of $500. I got 1,000, I need to be trading with 5% of $1,000. I don't need to be trying to put all my money in the market to risk it all just that quick when I can ease my way in. Definitely as I'm learning. It's riskier to hold options or swing trades, high risk plays overnight in the bear market. If you don't know what a bear market is, that means the market is kind of, slow. It's kind of trading sideways and or selling off. That's a bear market. That's a bad time to try to hold options overnight. Definitely if you're in a high risk play. The game is not fair. Remember that this is the street, baby. This is Wall Street. The game ain't fair, just like the real street. So keep that in your noggin. Technical analysis works 70% of the time. We charting up right now on the live trade. That works 70% of the time. But if you pay attention to your trade and you use your 3 breakouts and your 3 confirmations, you will have a better percentage to get a good profitable trade. But 70% of the time, technical analysis works. So false breakouts and false breakdowns do occur. You can get tricked. News and manipulation, like how I say Fed Powell's talking right now, the market is real volatile. It's kind of trading sideways, kind of want to sell off, kind of want to go up, really don't know what they want to do. That's because, hey, you got the Fed chair talking right now about the labor markets, which is they're trying to get the people to be unemployed. And they're talking about inflation. So it's a lot of things that get him to say that he didn't want to say during his Fed meeting last month. Always remember these 2 quotes, please. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Motivation plus dedication equals progression. As long as you got those in your mind, you will succeed some way, somehow. You just got to be prepared. You got to have that motivation. All right, let's get back to the charts. I just had to tell y'all those 2 steps and those 2 laws. So make sure y'all write those down and follow the game, man. Let's get back to the chart. Let's get back to the chart. All right. Chart ain't did nothing. Chart ain't did nothing. Chart ain't did nothing. The market been open for an hour. The market has been open for at least 1 hour now. We got on the markets at 10, so we ain't been on the markets that long. We ain't been in the chart that long. We got on 9:45, 10 o'clock. So everything highly anticipated off this Fed movement. But you see, this is a false breakout, what I was telling you about. This is how you identify a false breakout. So boom, trading. She came out. We set our resistance line up. We got where our sellers are at. You see, this shows exactly where the sellers are. The sellers don't want this to break above 556. If it break above 556, it's gone. It's potentially ain't no telling where it could go. So when we see that, we see, hey, that's a strong breakout. That's a false breakout. If we would have gotten this play right here, thinking it's finna break out above 556, we would have got a trick. Sold off a little bit, came down, bounced off to the 200 EMA, that's that yellow line, bounced off the 200 EMA, and we would have thought, hey, let's get into some puts. We think it's finna go into put territory. Let's get into some puts. But the buyers came in immediately. That's the green rectangle down here at the bottom. came in immediately and picked that thing back up. The buyers came in and picked that thing back up. So this is the main visual you want to have when you're day trading. You got your sellers, you got your buyers, you got your counter break, what you're looking for, and you have your MACD and your RSI for your other two confirmations. For your other two confirmation, let's slide this over. Slide my little candle over. You want it to be, when I say counter breakout, I don't care how close this thing is, bro. I don't care how close this thing is, bro. They do not need to touch that resistance line. If it's touching that resistance line just a little bit, bro, that's not a clean breakout. You need a clean counter breakout, smooth cut, and it don't need to be touching this right here. It can have a little wick on it, but if it's touching your resistance or your sellers, it ain't. It could be a potential false breakout. Could be a potentially false breakout. Could potentially be a false breakout, people. And that's what we don't want. Getting into a trade and it's a false breakout. Cause then you're gonna be thinking, hey, the market scam. It's a trick. And it's really not. You just gotta trust the process. Gotta trust the process. Set your visuals up. Give yourself that. Give yourself that visual. Give yourself that. Stop guessing. Stop guessing. Stop guessing. You stop guessing on the charts, and then you'll start winning. You stop guessing on the charts. Want the chart to do what you want to do. Everybody want to go green. Everybody want the market to go green. Every play I get in, I hope it shoots to the moon. Every play I get in, everybody wants that. But if it did that for everybody, everybody would be rich and wealthy. Everybody would be rich and wealthy. But when you learn how to use the market and print, they're gonna print money for you, man. It's gonna print that money for you. It's gonna print that money for you. If you don't know how to set your chart up, go back and rewind it. This is a public viewing, so this will be saved on the YouTube channel to go back and watch, and this will be saved on the Instagram for you to go back and watch. It will be saved on the Insta for you to go back and watch. We live trading today, trying to get us some money. See what the market gonna print for us. All right, now she back up. I mean, she might be going up and down, bro, while the Fed talk. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, she playing in that territory. And the only thing we waiting for is a breakout. The only thing we waiting for is a breakout. Made me want to go fix some more coffee. Let's hear what they're saying for a second.
You know, that's something like that could be right. Yeah.
Let's see what Jay Paul talking about.
It's hard to be precise. You know, we would put it out. It takes some time to write this stuff up. Then you put it up for comment. Then you get the comments. Then you read the comments. Then
CNBC.
Rule. You know, beginning part of next year is a good guesstimate.
The only reason why I push is because there are so many folks directly involved with this and the impact on our economy here and a lot of our financial.
We on YouTube and we on Instagram live with it, man.
A lot of people are following, so I'm trying to get you to get into the depth of this as much as possible, and I thank you.
Labor markets appear to be back in balance.
One other area, and once again, this is something that you and I have had visits about in front of this group before. But
all right, we back in call territory though.
What parts of inflation are, what parts you can control, and what parts as the Fed, you really
Said
can't
risk are
control.
two-sided, so they
The
really
demand
don't know.
side of
We look like we
inflation
finna get a
on
breakout.
inflation.
Pause. You put you on mute. We look like we about to get a breakout. So what you gonna do? You gonna eye her back up, get her eyed up, get ready to buy. This is what I'm doing. I'm gonna buy one contract because I'm teaching. I'm gonna get one contract, but not now. I haven't bought this yet. If you in the Discord, I will post my trade in the Discord as soon as I buy it. That's the benefits of being in the university. When you in the university, hey, I post as soon as I buy this, I'm posting it. As soon as I sell it, I'm posting it. As soon as I set my stop loss, I'm letting you know I set my stop loss at. So we got this odd up. It costs 27 now. We might can get this at 29. I'm looking to get it at 29. Looking to get it at 29. It costs 27 now. And this might be a hot one, but I ain't gonna jump in it hot. I'm not gonna jump in it hot. I'm waiting for all my confirmations. I'm gonna wait for all my confirmations. I'm gonna wait for all my confirmations. She pushing up, pushing up. She pushing up. We're looking at the 558 call. Currently $27 a contract right now. 558 calls, 26. It's 26. I'm looking to really grab it at like 29. If I grab it at 29.30, that'd be cool. It's 26. She pulling back down. But I got her eyed up, ready to go. One contract eyed up, ready to go. Eyed up, ready to go. Got it eyed up, ready to go. And she could be breaking out. And when you're in a day trade, man, please on the trade on the 5-minute time frame. She pushing up hard. Think we finna grab her. She at that 556.91 level. May jump in this hot. May jump in this hot, man. She's 27 right now, 28. Pulling back down. 27. It's pulling back down. I'm gonna wait for my confirmation. MACD just crossed over green. That's a good confirmation. All right, side and neutral. It's a good confirmation. Contract worth 26. Looking at the SPY 558 call expiration for today. Get in, get up, and get out. It's pulling back down. It's pulling back down. It's 25, 26. If this candle close in the area that it is now and the new candle starts above our support, above our resistance line, that's still not confirmation. That's still to be playing the high. You want that one counter to clean close above. It's worth 26. I may have to get in this thing at 30 to get a clean confirmation play. But when I see a price I like, I do strike. I see a price I like, I strike now. I see a price I like, I strike. She's pulling back down, pulling back down. Kind of respect it. Just kind of respecting it. Look at the 1 minute for a reference. 1 minute kind of pulling down, barely closed above support. Look at the 30 minute for a reference. The 30 minute still showing us same respect. Let's go back to the 5. And boom, she's pulling down. She's pulling down. That would have been a false breakout. We got the new counter just came in below resistance. That same contract I was looking at worth $21 now. She pulling down. Let's see will it bounce off of that 20 MA, the white line, and the 50 MA, the red line. Could play a potential bounce. But we're not in this play. I have not bought this. I went for my breakout confirmation. And that would be my candle now. Got my MACD and I got my RSI. I'm waiting for my candle. But if I see a price I like, I will strike, baby. But that's a false breakout. You would have wanted to get in there for that call right then. You would have jumped in thinking shit finna run because the candle was just so bright for you. It was just so green for you. And it completely turned around for the candle even closed all the way out. That's a false breakout. Respected. Respected that. It respected that. It respected that. So it looking like it wanna play with the EMAs coming back up. That contract's $24 now. She pulling back up. She pushing back up. Jay Powell just basically said we just want to see more good inflation data. That's basically what he's talking around. We just got to see more good inflation data. He's being data dependent still. He's still being very data dependent. What's up, DK? What's up, little cuz? A little cuz and this mug. Y'all tap in on the YouTube too. If I ain't interacting on Instagram, my bad. But y'all tap in on the YouTube too as y'all come in. Make sure y'all can hear me. Yeah. Y'all can hear me over there. Y'all can hear me over there. My contract worth 23. Excuse me. 24. We're looking at the 558 spot. My live ended. Dang, I was on live too long. It ended. Come to YouTube. Come to YouTube. Damn, my live ended over there, y'all. Let me go get my link for my people. Get these folks over here. I said it ended, man. It ain't end on my end. Say my live on YouTube ended, man. See, look, man, that's respected. Respected. Like, literally respecting those levels, bro. Like, literally respecting those levels, bro. Literally respecting those levels. Y'all know where my live video went, man. on YouTube with the noise though. Instagram, they got enough for free. They got enough of it for free. They don't know how to set their charts up after the day. They playing with themselves. They playing with themselves. The call worth 21 now. So yeah, it playing that level, man. Like it really just playing in the Amazon because J Powell talking. Like I think we'll get a full initial breakout when he get done speaking. I don't know how long his testimony gonna be. Excuse me, y'all, if I'm getting a little tired. Need me some more coffee. Need me more coffee, man. So she pulling down. She pulling down. You gotta respect them levels. You gotta respect them levels, man. Hey, my Aki said, is this AI generated? Nah, man. It's AI generated, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see, we got any other breaking news. Let's see, we got any other breaking news. They on the time about Jay. Jay got the market on edge right now. Jay Powell got the market on edge right now. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Not likely. Next policy move would be a rate hike. That's good news. That's good news. He just said not likely. But that could change, bro. This nigga here. He be tripping. He be tripping. He be tripping, bro. He said one thing, do complete opposite. He said one thing, do the complete opposite. Best thing for the housing is to get inflation down to 2%. He said that's the best thing for the house. How long we been on? We've been on for an hour. Been on for an hour. But see, just imagine you been on the chart for an hour and you get a breakout. So let's say yesterday's chart. I was on the chart for basically about an hour. And I got my breakdown. Boom. I jumped in there early though. I got my breakdown. Got in, got up out that mug. And I use the same aspect, bro. Every day I trade. It don't change. This is the same way I trade every day. I don't switch it up. Yeah, I don't switch it up, fam. She pulling back down. Pulling back down. Yeah, that thing playing. That thing ain't playing, y'all. That same contract we were looking at worth $17 now. You would have jumped in that thinking you finna get the breakout, you'd have got burnt. You got smoked. You got smoked. Well, you got to trade with a chart, not with your heart. This ain't got no breakout. Nowhere. Ain't giving no breakout vibe. Nowhere on the chart. They playing heavily in that gamma zone. Playing heavily in that gamma zone. Playing real heavy in that gamma zone. I dropped the play earlier. Let's see what they're doing. I dropped the play in the Discord. Let me see what Pepsi doing. Pepsi got earnings coming up Thursday. If you're in the Discord, I dropped the chart. Already pre-made. See the daily on Pepsi. There you go. It's the pre-made chart I just made for Pepsi in the Discord. It's the daily chart. This how I play earnings while we waiting on that trade. While we went on that trade. While we went on that trade. Did Pepsi. Pepsi report earnings on Thursday. Are the earnings going to be good? Are the earnings going to be bad? We don't know. So what we going to do is we set our trident chart up. With our trident chart, we look for our resistance. We look for our support. We look for our resistance. Well, where's the lowest point? Right now, we're at a bottom point on, excuse me. Right now, we're at a bottom point on Pepsi. And Pepsi earnings report Thursday before the market. So if I get in this, I would be trying to buy this right now. Just not tell you to buy, hold, or sell. Just know that. Just giving you the information on how I get in my plays and how I make my dollar. You feel me? But it's not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. But Pepsi, I'm looking to wait for Pepsi anywhere between 166 and 170. I would totally be waiting on to buy Pepsi in that area. I would totally be trying to buy anywhere between 162 and 165 in that range where it's playing at right now. On the low end 162, I'll be trying to load up right here, heading into earnings. So Thursday morning, I'll be trying to sell this if it pops up. You know what I'm saying? Or I set my stop loss at 160. So if it don't go my way, hey, I don't even lose that much. I just lose a little bit. I don't even lose that much. That's how I would play Pepsi in this upcoming earnings season. They kick off earnings seasons, Pepsi and Delta. And I'll drop some, I'm dropping the bank earning plays tonight in the Discord. I'll probably make a video for you guys also. Drop it on YouTube. But yeah, Pepsi currently trading 126, up 0.9%, 0.09%. I'll be trying to buy Pepsi. It's been trading, consolidating down here. It bounced off of that level, ran up. So just imagine if I get in right here with a few shares and I can catch the ride up to 170. That's a cool $10 per share move for me. I take that. I give me that. You feel me? Give me that. Give me that. But if it reports great earnings, it could pop well to 180. Well to 180. Well to 175. But we don't know what the chart gonna do, so that's why we always set our stop loss and play our levels. That's Pepsi earnings play if you want to get in on Pepsi. I'm gonna go check out. This is my other. I'm gonna give y'all Delta too. Think I got Delta already charted. Got Delta already charted. Delta report earnings while the market will be live. So that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. But you always want to set your stop loss. And like I say, if you 5%, 10% in profit, me, if I'm already 10% in profit, I'm setting my stop loss. If I'm 20% in profit, I'm moving my stop loss up. I'm moving my stop loss up at my profit goal. So Delta, you'll want to get in Delta. I would play anywhere between $49 and $52. I would be waiting. I would not be trying to buy. There's a lot of sellers in that area. They pushed it down. I will buy between $46 and $48. Delta is currently trading $46.85, up 1% on the day, according to this recording. Definitely at the bottom. Definitely at the bottom. I set my stop loss at $45. So if I get in here with a good amount of shares at the bottom right here, I ain't even tripping because I could catch that ride all the way up to $52, $54. You know what I'm saying? That's a good $10 per share play for me. You feel me? Good $10, $9 share play for me. And it's just gonna take a little patience in a few days. And let's see, that earnings may be good, it may not be good. But if I set my stop loss as I move myself up in profit, hey, I may keep it through the earnings. I may not even sell it because they report live and they do good, it may go up. I want to ride that ride to the top with them. I want to ride that ride with them. You feel me? And I set my stop loss at $45, man. The break, it don't go my way, pull back down, and hit $45, it's gonna automatically kick me out to play. I minimize my loss, maximize my profits. So those are two earning plays that I'm looking at here and get to Thursday. On Thursday, I will drop the banking plays. So just be real aware. When those banking plays kick off, that can really kicks off earning season. But go back to the SPY. Go back to the SPY. Let's go back to the SPY. Oh yeah, she cooling, bro. She cooling, bro. Like she probably got about 30 more minutes out of on me. 30 more minutes to an hour on me. She cooling, y'all. She is cooling. She is cooling. She is cooling. So anywhere in this area, bro, I do not want to buy. I just want to, and you can set your price alerts. If you don't want to sit and watch the chart for this long, set your price alerts, man. Set your alerts. So hey, you get your alert on your phone, you know when to enter the play. You know when to get into play. You know when to get into play. You know when to get into play, baby. You know when to get into play, baby. You know when to get into play, baby. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. Jay Powell really got a big effect on the market today, y'all. Powell really got a big effect on the market today. So the market trading, I mean, I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, it's money to be made even right now. So how the market is trading like this, like I said, we could use our EMAs to get some cheese. We can use our EMA. You see how it playing on the 50 and the 100. We can use that as our new now supported resistance line. She broke under. When it broke under here, boom, she fell down. This would be playing it hot, and you would need to be more of an experienced trader to play like this, to trade like this. But you see how she break down, and she can hold under here, then it could potentially be going to the downside. I could potentially enter into an early put. As she played right here, I can use that boom as a confirmation counter to get in because she could have ran up and we could have caught that little ride up there and got out. But that's playing in like super, 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 super risky. And I don't recommend no new hustler to do that. You got to be an OG super hustler. You got to really be a super hustler to be playing like that. I don't even really play like that a lot. So you feel me? I don't trade too risky trades. I stick to my levels. I stick to my confirmations. If I get in high risk, I don't play with a lot. So if you do jump into a risky trade, please. So you had your trading on 5%, bring that down to 3%. Don't play with a lot. Don't play with a lot. Don't play with a lot when you high risking or you jumping into risky trades. Just don't do that. Go get yourself burnt, boy. I don't want you to get burnt. So we going back down to put territory. So you see how she did that, how she played off that 50 and that 20, broke below, and now she feel like she's trying to pull it down. That could have been a solid high risk confirmation for you. But if you do that, you'll want to bring yourself a little closer in the money. You'll want to bring yourself a little closer in the money. But you really don't want to go against the trend. We're in the uptrend market right now. The trend has not broke. The trend has not broken. The trend has not broken. Yeah, she pulling down. We said we're gonna get that 554 put if you break in our area. So we're gonna get that 554 put if it breaks in our area. If she bounce back up and she play around, we'll call it in the morning, people. I got more work to do in my other ventures and businesses. We're not gonna force a trade. Never force a trade. If you force a trade, you're potentially gonna lose. You're potentially gonna lose. But yeah, the SPY ain't gave us nothing. The SPY ain't gave us nothing. Let's see. What's Tesla doing? I recently bought some Tesla shares, bro. She up 30%. I bought some Tesla shares. She up 30%. She looking good. If you'd have got in this morning, oh my God. Yeah, I got a few Tesla shares. I bought Tesla at 181. So that was definitely before. So I bought Tesla back when it was selling off. And this is a prime example. I bought Tesla back when it was in these ranges. Cooling, constellation, just cooling off, trading sideways between the 168, 170 range, trading sideways. This is where you want to buy. I would have been buying. I got in at 181. I started seeing her come up. Boom, she broke the 50 for me. That was my confirmation on the daily chart. Got in, waited, bought. And she ran up and played out for me. played out for me. It's the shares. I ain't talking about options. I'm talking about shares, buying shares. But yeah, that's beautiful, bro. That's a beautiful chart right there. See what Apple doing. Apple, I sold Apple too fast. I sold Apple at like before it hit 200. I'm really mad at myself on that. I'm really mad at myself on that one. I sold Apple around this range right here. Heading into the AI news, I didn't think that was gonna pull it off. Just to be honest with you guys, I didn't think that was gonna pull it off. But it came with that Chat GPT deal for Karate Chop. And went to the moon, bro. Like literally went to the moon. That would have been another play up 30%, 40%. But we ain't tripping though. We got our money out for it. We got our money. I was buying Apple back here. I was buying Apple back here. So I got my money off of it. Let's go back to the spot, man. Oh, Mrs. Trade, man. Been waiting all this time and she probably get freaky on us. They probably get crazy. Man, if you haven't joined the Stock Hustler University, the link is in the description. Please join the Stock Hustler University to learn these steps, to learn how to trade, passively invest for generational wealth. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for the YouTube channel. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram. Yeah, she looking like she don't want to do nothing, y'all. The volume that flattened out. When you see them counters like that, the volume flatten out. We want to see thick, long, full candles. We want to see full candles. We got some volume in there. So the volume done thinned out because Jay Powell still talking. He controlling the market right now. Powell is controlling the market right now. We'll be on here probably about another, how long we been on? 30 minutes, I would say. Be on about another 30 minutes. So give us a 2-hour session. 2-hour learning session. Give us a 2-hour learning session. Go make me some coffee, man. Warm back up. Cold in this house. Yeah. Power. Every time this guy speaks, bro, F the market up, bro. Look at that, just trading completely sideways. But it's cool. Real flat, bro. Volume definitely just died out. Real flat. Real flat, bro. Yeah, I think we about to exit. Yeah, I think we about to exit. If we don't get a breakout, we ain't gonna get the breakout. Definitely by lunch. Definitely by lunchtime. Well, we got to break below our EMAs though. If it stay down here, we could be looking at puts. If you start trading down and not in this area, the buyers are kind of weary. They're kind of weak. Buyers would be kind of weak. Some days you're gonna get some trades. Some days you're not. Some days you're gonna get some trades. Some days you're not. Don't for. So let's FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Got a little fear if you're uncertain and you doubt what you're doing in your trade. Don't trade. Don't trade. FOMO, fear of missing out. Got a fear of missing out of your one of your breakouts above or below. Don't trade, bro. Don't trade. You look at Chipotle. Chipotle just look at Chipotle. Chipotle just split. That was almost $1,000 stock, bro. Just did a stock split. It could be selling off. It could be in a sell-off. It could be in a sell-off stage. Yup. Look at that. They split, sold off, broke below that 50 and that 20 EMA, and it probably gonna fall. I would say I get a $50. I get the falling down here. 52 for the pickup. So I would set my, if I want to look for puts on Chipotle, I set this right here. I already got a gap to fill at $55. So if I wanted to put, I would do that. Go ahead and set my support and my resistance up. Go ahead and set my support and my resistance. Gonna do that. So that's the breakout. Set that support and my resistance. If I'm looking for a put, I'm looking for anything below. So I would then come over here, create an alert below $55. Boom. Now I got my alert. Now I got my visual of my breakdown. Cause I will be looking for puts on Chipotle to sell off a little bit more after this split. I wouldn't jump in until it confirmed for me though. That's a quick lesson. That's a quick gem. That's a quick gem. That's a quick gem. Go back. Go back to the spot. I don't think we're gonna get nothing on the spot today, y'all. I don't think we're gonna get nothing on the spot today. Oh, getting that breakdown. Hold on. Hold on, getting a breakdown. Getting that push down. Ooh, excuse me if I'm yawning a lot. Just getting back up into my early mornings, like I say. I had a death in the family. Taking it hard. And I was sleeping in. Now that same 558 call we was looking at $12, bro. You jumping in there trying to fight for your money back, got yourself burnt. Got yourself burnt. Alright. We in put territory. So let's eye some puts up. So she looking like she want to pull down. The 200 may pick it up. It bounced off the 200 previously. It previously bounced off the 200 right here. So could it bounce again? Could play that bounce back up. But could it break all the way down? So it's just how you see it. That's how you see it. If you play inside the gamma zone, that's how you would play your EMAs inside of the gamma zone. You would play it off the bounce of the 200 to the 50 and the 20. That's if she confirmed for you. New candle. We're looking at puts. I want the 555, 554 put. It's worth $22 right now. We're not jumping in because it hasn't confirmed. Worth 22. Just trying to turn around. It's trying to turn around. It's bouncing. It's bouncing. And if this close out and it turns around, that would confirm a double bottom. It could be a bearish. It could be a bearish breakout. Bearish breakdown. It could be a bearish breakdown. Yeah, I don't know what they want to do right here. I still got my put eyed up. I got the SPY 554 put eyed up just in case. But she look like she turning around. She look like she turning around for the retracement. Like she turning around for the retracement. The buyers, you can see that the buyers are weak. The buyers are weak right now. The sellers are weak. I'm sorry. The buyers are strong right now. They're trying to show some type of strength. Yeah, but the sellers seem like they're a little bit more stronger. And the market could be pricing in their rate cuts. I'm looking for a sell-off. The market's actually, the Dow's down. S&P, the Dow's down 103 points. S&P up. Dow really been selling off since they had hit those all-time highs. Got Walmart up. Walmart doing good right now. They just bounced back from a bad earnings. Qualcomm was slightly off. And then if you don't know about investing, man, invest in good companies, man. Invest in just good companies that produce things that people want to use all the time. Right? Invest in those things. Apple. Everybody has Apple everything. Invest in Microsoft. You need computers and you need Windows. Invest in Tesla. People need EV cars. They're selling. NVIDIA. You're gonna need chips. That's a big thing. Johnson & Johnson Healthcare. Like these are the type of, not saying that those are companies for you to invest in. I don't tell you to buy, hold, or sell, but these are the type of companies that you want to build your foundation around in your portfolio. I can't say that. So it look like she's giving us that double bottom, pull back up. The double bottom right there. Pull back up. And she should give us a resistance right here for a breakdown. If it goes that way. But they're looking like a real bearish double bottom. Real bearish double bottom. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Patience is a virtue on the market. Patience is a virtue on the market. Patience is a virtue on the market, man. Let's get it. That volume is flat. Volume is flat. Yeah, we about to get it up out of here, bro. We ain't gonna sit on the chart and force it all day. We ain't gonna sit on the chart and force it all day. J Powell fucking the money up. Excuse my language. J Powell messing the money up today. Okay, here we go. Can we get that breakdown? Here we go. Can we get the breakdown? Can we get the breakdown? All right, side not oversold. MACD confirm an under, cross under. Let me eye from the eye my put up. Just to have it eyed up. Just to have it ready to go. Give it that double bottom with that breakdown. He's talking around the same thing. The man waiting for the labor market to ease off, man. Patience, patience, people, patience. Patience, people, patience. Patience, patience. We waiting on that thing to break down right now. But I don't think we gonna get it. Oh. Mark gonna be like, don't doubt me. Don't you dare doubt me. Don't you dare doubt me. Let me show y'all this penny stock runner real quick. My partner just made a killing off of it. Penny stocks are highly, highly volatile, and you should not trade them if you don't know about them. It's my hide the EMAs. That's not how you hide it. Bruh, 70-cent runner all the way to $14. This is high risk trade, but they make believers, bro. A lot of people just got rich off of this play. A lot of people just got rich. Just imagine you've been buying this in 70 cents. It ran up to $14, bro. A lot of people got rich. But a lot of people bought up here, and it's been selling off ever since. So a lot of people got hurt. A lot of people lost money. So But you gotta be in the right place at the right time, man. My partner made a cool $400 off of that play, $500 off of that play. He said it could have been more. Not to brag, but just to show you that hey, money can be made in the market if you got the right information and you know how to operate the tool. So yeah, I think we're gonna get up out of here, man. In my life, cause hold on, she might do what we say she gonna do. Oh, might do what we said gonna do. All right, came up. Can we get the push down? Can we get a hard push down? Can we get a hard push down? Buyers done got a little weak. Yeah, buyers done got a little weak. Yeah. Yeah, man, we ain't gonna play with the market like this. She ain't doing nothing. Just losing volume. And we ain't getting that consistent look like we supposed to get. I want to see if it's gonna play that double bottom breakdown though. I do want to give it that time. That put I was looking at worth $16 now. I do want to give it that time to play out. My double bottom breakdown. If it's bearish, looking bearish to me. You know, Paul could be talking all day, people. Now it's trading inside of the EMAs. Now it's trading inside of the EMAs. Okay. Okay, look, come. Go break out for me, guy. He gonna break down for me. Let me get that breakdown. Look at that pullback. Yeah, we getting up out of here, bro. She just bounced back up. So today was a good lesson. Today was a good lesson on how not to force a trade, how to play your levels, how to identify your sellers and where your buyers are in your gamble zone. Today was a good trade learning lesson on how to identify false breakouts, false breakdowns. So we ain't gonna force a trade today, and we'll see what we can get out of the market tomorrow. If you want to stay on your chart and you want to continue to stay on the chart and watch the chart, you can on your own. And after J-Pod get done speaking, it could basically shoot up or shoot down, but it could break out of our levels. But remember, play these levels. Play these levels. Please, please play these levels. Please play those levels. Please play those levels. All right, so with that being said, we're going to get up out of here. It's your boy, the Sir Willoughby, the Stock Hustler. Thank you guys for tuning in to this live stream. Please go back, rewatch it, and take notes and get some game. If you want to learn more, the description to the Stock Hustler University will be in the link below of this video, and it's also in my YouTube channel description. Thank you. Remember, proper preparation prevents poor performance. Motivation plus dedication equals progression. As long as I'm motivated, as long as I'm dedicated, I will progress. That's all that matters. Invest wisely. Let's go.